Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your first time visiting us, karibu sana. My name is Chef Janet. Please don't hesitate to smash that subscribe button and the bell icon right beside it, so that every time I have a new simple recipe, you are instantly notified on the same. So today I have this special bites recipe. I'm going to be using potatoes and some eggs. Let's get cooking. Ingredients today, I'm going to be using 3 large potatoes. I have 4 tablespoons of yogurt. I have 2 eggs. I have some cheese. I'm using Parmesan cheese. I have some flour. I am using 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. I have some coriander right here. I have my food color. It's a ½ teaspoon. I have my salt. I also have some black pepper to taste. So starting off, I'm going to add my potatoes to my water. So this is plain water, so I'm just going to cook my potatoes until they are perfectly done. So we're going to cover this and let it cook until soft. Now they are perfectly done, so I'm just going to take this pot away to strain away the water. So my potatoes are perfectly cooked, and now I'm just going to smash these potatoes. All of them, just make sure they are perfectly smashed. So next I'm going in with my coriander leaves, then I'm going in with my salt and pepper. It is okay. And then I'm going with my Parmesan cheese. Then we are going to bring this to a perfect mix. I'm telling you, these bites, they are very, very delicious. My kids actually love them, and I'm sure that the members of your household are going to fall in love with these bites. So I'm just going to mix this together perfectly. So once you have mixed them perfectly like that, we are just going to start making our balls. So you just grease your hand a little bit so that the potatoes don't stick to your hands. So then you're going to be making some round balls. Of course, now of your size. So this size is okay with me. I'm going to set this aside. Then we're going to smash it to a ball like that. So I am done making my balls, my potato balls. So now the next thing, I'm going to make in my paste. So remember the other ingredients, I had not forgotten about them. Now we are putting them into use. So I'm going to crack my 2 eggs. Just like that. I'm going in with my yogurt. You can use cream if that is what you have. I used yogurt. It's still okay. I'm going with my food color. We're going to beat this nicely. Then now we are going in with our flour. So I use 2 tablespoons, but I'll be adding them bit by bit so that I attain my desired consistency. So again, if your paste is not thick enough, it won't coat your potatoes very well. So you have to make it as thick as possible. And then in the process of smashing your potatoes, if again you don't smash them very well, then you won't be able to make these balls perfectly, because those potatoes will be making your balls crack at some point. So those are just the few tips that you need to work with to get your perfect potato bites. So I've finished making my paste. You can see how thick it is. So this is how yours should also be, so the potatoes can coat in perfectly. So right now my oil is in the cooking pot, but it is there. So now we're going to submerge all our potato to this paste, and then we are going to put it in our cooking oil, just like that. It should be medium low heat. So I've already added my potatoes to the cooking oil, and now they are almost ready. The downer part is already done, so I'm just going to turn it over like that. Look at that. It's looking really delicious. Wow. So you should not have made this before, so that maybe you can try it. This is a very good recipe, even for the first timers. I'm telling you, it will come out absolutely delicious. So there's nothing to fear. Grab the ingredients in the description box and make this. So my potato bites are perfectly cooked, and now it is time to remove them out of my cooking oil. Oh my, and the aroma in this room, I'm telling you, it is delicious. Absolutely amazing. This bites, ooh, it's a killer, I'm telling you. You can have this for breakfast, you can have this aside maybe some dinner or a snack. It's still very, very delicious. Oh my, look at that. Very delicious indeed. That is how I made this delicious potato bites. You can see I just added a few ingredients just to make sure that my bites are delicious and packed with flavors. So don't forget to like our video if you liked it, and share it with your friends and neighbor. Subscribe, because now you have a better reason to be one of my subscribers. And until then, I've been your girl, Chef Janet, signing out right now. See you next time. Bye bye.